Good morning, everyone. I'm Sumit from Sales Based Branch. Your product name is Designing Classroom, and product company name is Prime Tech. Emphasizing maintaining of the requirement and feeling about the product is shared by the customer during the emphasizing activity. So we have to discuss first two points about this. For a variety of sitting option like standing desks and floor can create adjustable lighting and noise levels. And based on the empathizing stage and considering the feelings and requirements of the customer, many new features added in the existing product name, designing classroom, futuristic project and design then. Some of the additional features to be added in the maintained here. Personalized learning stations create areas where students can work on individual or group projects in their own pace and nurture integration in correct implements like natural light and view of the doctor. Breakout space design the small breakout areas of the collaborate work on the instruction quite slowly. Visual aids and display. Utilize clear and engaging visual aids such as the posters, display, the learning concepts. Prototype. In prototype stage, the real working model has to manufacture due to time constraint. The mentor advice to the task sketch given below. Here the sketch of we have shown in this figure on the testing. And thank you.